So today Yates is going to cut down a tree that really needs to be, it's half rotten, and he's going to use his winch again and a remote control. So let's take a look at how he's going to do this. So what you do is you cut, I don't know the proper terminology, but you cut a piece out of it. And then depending on the width of the tree, you leave a certain amount of that left on the back part of your cut. And then I guess, well, he's going to use his winch, as you can see here, to take it down. And it comes down a lot slower if you cut that notch. I don't remember the exact name. Sorry, I'm not into tree cutting, and I just learned about this myself. There it goes. Oh. Well, there it goes. Now we can cut it into little pieces and get rid of that one. Timber! Timber! I guess that's it for that one. And it's stuck. So he's gonna try to cut and finish that till it falls. Got kind of stuck up there in the other trees. I don't know. These trees are hard to cut, you know. That's why you hire people, and it costs quite a bit of money to take down a tree. Now I get why. There, it's stuck up there. It's stuck. There you go, kinda. Now you need your winch just to pull it out of there. Oh, he's gonna trim it up. I get it. Keep on trimming. Thank God it's not a big, thick one. I get worried for him though. You ain't gonna cut a little more. No, you got it. There you go. Oh, jeez. It's still got a big piece stuck on there, though. Okay, is it gonna fall? It's the battle of the fallen tree. But that one's cut, so this one over here is cut. This one over here, I can't see my finger. That one there is cut. So it's just stuck. So here it comes, see it? Very slowly. They're both falling. That one's falling too over there. Who falls first? There it goes. Whoa, it's still, oh, they're meeting. Oh, wait, hold on, Jack. Okay, that's oh, look at, they go back the other way now. It's interesting when he pulls the wedge back. That's the slowest falling tree clunk I ever done saw. And it's down. And he did it. Now you could become a professional tree cutter, Yates. Not. That just isn't good money. Oh, you got another one. That's true. We gotta finish the other one yet. Well, we'll come back to that. Boom! That was too easy with that winch. One more bites of dust. Whoa! Oh my God, you bent the tree, you split the tree in half almost. Oh, those poor trees over there. Oh shit, you got that one stuck on that one. Oh, that's never really a good thing. Oh boy, it's still going. Look at it splitting. You can see where it's just splitting. Oh, okay, it's down, but it's caught up in that other one. Wow. Well, you know, he could saw, I guess, into that, and that's a dangerous situation there. Yeah, it's dangerous. Be very careful, just in case Oh boy. Yeah, well, maybe he's gonna try to cut it. I don't know. I get worried easily for him because I don't even know how you get it down. Maybe you could take a winch and then drag it out of there, but I don't know what direction. It might knock down those other trees eventually here if we leave it. I know he wants to leave it, of course. Ugh. Safety glasses at minimum. There it starts moving. Are you okay over there? Okay, good. Just making sure. Alright. So this whole area here, the front, where the dumpster is, and all the way into here is what we envision to be our front yard someday. So as you can see, we got most of the trees down. We do have a few over here, which are by the camper and the RV. So we have to move the RV and the camper as soon as the mud is gone, and it's been raining for days.